Okay, so this is our first video of using functional notation. So in this instance, we are just being told what the function is, and we're being asked to evaluate and essentially substitute whatever is within the brackets where this x is. So we've been told let f of x equal 10x plus 5, evaluate, and then I've got f of 6. So where I've got that x, I now want that 6. So 10 times 6 is 60, plus the 5 gives me 65. Same idea here, where I've got the x, I now want that -3. So 10 times -3 is -30, plus the 5, that's going to give me -25. And the same can be applied for letters as well. So again, I want to have that 10b where the x is. So 10 times the 10b is going to be 100b plus 5. Can't simplify that, so that stays as is. And then last one, even though this is like a group of things, again, I can put it exactly where the x is, but just put it in brackets still. So I've got that x plus 2 plus 5. So it's going to be 10x plus 20 plus 5, which is just going to give me 10x plus 25. So let's take a look at one more example with a different function. So here I've got let f of x equal x squared minus 4x. So even though I've got two lots of x's, I still substitute whatever's in the bracket in each spot where there's an x. So I'm going to have 5 squared minus 4 times 5. So 5 squared is 25 minus 20, which is just going to give me 5. Here I'm going to have -8 squared minus 4 times -8. So double negative makes a positive, and 8 squared is 64. Again, I've got another double negative, it's going to make a positive, and 4 times the 8 is 32. So adding them up, I'm going to end up with 96. Here I'm going to have 4y squared minus 4 times 4y. So 4y squared, remember your rules of indices, that squared affects each thing individually. And then 4 times the 4y, it's going to give me 16y. And then that 4 squared there is going to be 16. So I've got 16y squared minus 16y. And then the last one, putting that entire x minus 3 in the spots where there is that x. So we're going to have to expand these brackets. So remember that x minus 3 squared means I've got 2 of the same brackets. And I'll just do this expansion, so that's going to be 4x plus 12. Breaking apart that first bracket and putting the second bracket in the slots next to it. Expanding it out, so I've now got x squared minus 3x plus 9 minus 4x plus 12. And then collecting all my like terms together. So minus 3x, take away 3x, I'm on minus 6. Take away 4, that's going to be minus 10x. The 9 plus that 12 is going to be plus 21. So that's our initial use of using a function. I've got one more video on how we use it. Let me know if there are any issues or if you have any questions, and good luck with the work.